Goddamn motherfucking. You goddamn motherfucking asshole. Hey. Get the fuck out of here, bitch. Calm the fuck down, okay? Calm the fuck down.
No, hold on. I'm asking the questions here, Billy, not you. You're not coming up here thinking you're gonna fucking do man things. Hold on, shut the fuck up for a second. Shut up. Shut up and sit back.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Who are you? Who the fuck are you? Who the fuck are you?
I am Jaws.
Shut up for a second. Shut up.
I am Jaws.
Shut up.
Shut up.
Yeah, you're a fucking idiot.
I love you, bro.
Who the fuck are you to talk to your mother like that, bro? And put your hands on her.
She is my mother.
So because she's your mother, it gives you the opportunity to put your hands on her?
For one thing, if you want to ask me about mother, you gotta quit muting me when I'm gonna talk about it.
I'm muting you because I have control of this panel. I fucking control it, not you. You answer the questions when they're asked. Because right now, you're scum of the earth, bro. For doing that to your fucking mother.
Okay, what did I do to my mother? What did I do? What did I do?
I don't know, you tell me what you did to her in the kitchen. Clearly you started making her cry and shit. And this is obviously an elderly woman, right?
What you've heard is that.
How old is your mother?
I don't know what you heard, but you've been fooled. Okay.
Can you give us a testimonial account of what you remember? Play by play?
Can you tell me what you know? Can you tell me what you know?
I know nothing
you
about.
Tell us.
I know nothing other than just the video. I want to hear testimonial from you. No judgment until I hear your side.
So I'm gonna give you my side. For all I know, what Epic has just described is not true.
Well, it's on video, bro. It's on video.
That's not your
show
side.
The video. Show the video.
We just played it. I want to hear your
You just played it. You didn't play it when I was here.
Well, have you not seen it yourself?
No, I haven't.
All right. So listen to this. You tell us your side. If you don't tell us the side that you think, I'm going to ask you questions and you're going to answer them.
My mother came into the room and I asked her to move away, and what I did was move her away with my hands. Yeah, I'm gonna.
So you put your hands on her.
Okay, she's my mother. I have the right to put my hands on my mother.
No, you don't.
You don't.
No, you don't.
Get the fuck out of here.
No, you don't.
So you think? Hold on. You think you have the rights to put your hands on your fucking mom, Billy?
To move her
because she's your mom.
To move her away from my room, yes, I can do that.
Fuck no, you don't.
Yeah.
No, you can't.
No, you don't.
That's an assault.
Well, no, that's your opinion. That's your opinion. That's it.
Holy fuck. Kidding me?
No, motherfucker, your mother has her right to put her hands on you, not the other way around.
So, okay, what is the assault? Okay, shut the fuck up, you piece of shit motherfuckers. What is assault? What is the law? What is the law? You jack fucking boot motherfuckers, what is the law?
Shut the fuck up. Listen, the law is that you cannot even put your hands, nobody hears you, so shut up. The law is that you cannot put your fucking hands on a woman. Oh, fuck.
Hold on, I'm going to just turn his mic right down. Give me a second.
Fucking
Okay.
Is this guy kidding me? Like, it's okay. It's my mom. He's allowed to fucking put his hands on a woman. What the fuck? So, Billy, are you going to answer the questions now? Well, you're on mute. We don't hear you.
You fucking piece of shit, dude.
Okay, let's have a simple conversation.
No,
you're not gonna
dick, dude.
Listen.
Suck a fucking dick, dude.
Okay,
you can
yeah.
Dick up your asshole and fucking suck it through your
Billy, we don't do that around here. This is a different
neck.
channel. Billy, we don't do that around here. We're
civil around here. Do. Oh yeah,
we don't do that around here.
Oh yeah, you do. Oh yeah,
so
you
give us a good explanation on why you have the rights to talk to your mom like that. Billy, give me the reason why you have the rights to put your hands on your mother like that. You're muted, idiot.
I muted him. I'm going to wait till he hears your question. You're just shouting into the mic. Billy, listen to the question.
What gives you the right to put your hands on an elderly woman? So your mom's clearly over fucking 67 years old, and you just claim that you have the right to put your hands on your fucking mother? Are you fucking sick in the head, bro?
4 years old.
Go ahead.
Yeah, it's up.
So what gives you the right, Billy?
What gives you the right to breathe, dude?
That's what your answer is?
Yeah.
Wow. This
So you don't think you did anything wrong?
I didn't do anything wrong.
Do you think you did anything wrong?
Fuck no, man. All I do is push her out of my room. I got her out of my fucking space. That's all.
Why did she cry?
So why is that bad? Why am I being
Why did she cry, Billy? Why did she cry?
Because she's a baby.
What made her cry?
Oh my God.
What made her cry?
Well, let me ask you this. Let's say she spit in your face when you pushed her out of your room. What would you have done then?
You knock her the fuck out.
I think life in general made her cry.
Billy, specifically, what made her cry? What was it that made her cry, specifically?
I have a bitch like you fucking trying to trip us up. I don't know.
Answer the question. What made her cry specifically?
I don't know, man. What do you think?
You do know.
You don't know? Your mother's crying and you don't know why?
No.